So, how to make this headache effect in Davinci Resolve? Shall we? Duplicate the layer by holding Alt and drag the clip up. Upper layer is for the effect. Select the upper layer and right click and link clips. Then select the bottom audio and press Ctrl plus X. So first, cut the all clips you need this effect to happen. Select the clips you don't need and delete them. So you save performance. Mine is the first and the last one. Fade in and out by controlling white things on the clip. Now let's hop on the color tab. Make sure we are making the effect for the right clip. Click clips and check that it says V2. Now let's hide the clips and start making. Add a new node by pressing the node and clicking Alt plus S. Go to Effects, search for Prism Blur. Drag it to the node. Play around the settings till you're happy. You can try to match these settings because they can be very universal for this effect. Click Clips. Copy the node with Ctrl plus G. Select the other clip and add a new node, Alt S and Ctrl plus V. Do the same for the last one. Go back to the timeline. Check the effect. I need tiny pauses between the clips. I adjust the clips by dragging on the corners. And voila, now it's perfect. And yep, that's it. Have a great one. See ya.